Lalahukan ng alos 3,000 sundalong Pilipino at Amerikano ang Salaknib Part 2 na magsisimula sa Sabado. 1,675 sundalong ng Philippine Army at 1,244 na tauhan ng United States Army ang kalahok. Mas malawak na pagsasanay at decision making. Dito nakatuon ang ikalawang bahagi ng Salaknib exercise na isasagawa sa buwan ng Hunyo.
Yung Salaknib Part 2, it involves two divisions. One division from the U.S. Army Pacific and 7th Infantry Division. It is a brigade-to-brigade or force-on-force exercise.
Sa mga naunang edisyon ng Salaknib, ipinakita kung paano mag-operate ang isang platoon, isang company. Ngunit ngayon mas malawak naman dahil 2 brigada ang magpapamalas kung paano magsagawa ng isang army operation.
It is a brigade-to-brigade or force-on-force exercise. Dati kasi we are engaged in platoon level, company level, but this time we are employing 2 brigades, 1 brigade each from the U.S. Army and 1 brigade from Philippine Army, the 702nd Infantry Brigade. So mas malaki po yung scale ng exercise na ito, and they are being provided with the operational environment wherein yung key leaders will be stressed para mag-react to certain scenario.
Magkakaroon din ng mga ground army operation scenario gaya ng search and attack, defensive operations at attack operation. Ayon sa Philippine Army, gagamitin din ng MRC o Mid-Range Capability Missile System ng Estados Unidos, pero hindi ito papuputukin.
This is part of the training from the very beginning during the first part of Salaknib and even on the part of Balikatan, and now it's extended on the Salaknib phase 2. This is more of the training purposes. There will be no live firing of this particular missile system.
Nakaangkla rin ang Salaknib sa Comprehensive Archipelagic Defense Concept ng sandataang lakas ng bansa.
Salaknib is in line with the Comprehensive Archipelagic Defense Concept. Yung mga competency na kailangan ng mga tropa natin, makukuha nila rito sa mga events na ginagawa dito sa Salaknib 2.
Nitong Abril isinagawa ang unang bahagi ng Salaknib kung saan nagamit sa nakaraang balikatan ang mga kaalamang natutunan sa mga pagsasanay gaya ng Air Mobile Operation, Jungle Operations Training at Breaching Obstacle para sa Explosive and Ordnance Disposal. Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.